How to fix GOG game not downloading after purchase. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply use your GOG Galaxy launcher. You can actually install or restart the official GOG Galaxy application to manage the downloads too, right? So after doing that, you can try the offline backup installer. What you can do is simply download the standalone game installer directly from your account page via your browser. You can actually get into the account, and then from there you can get into games, and then from there you can get into download offline backup installers. Then from there you'll actually be able to get the offline backup installer, right? So after doing that, if that did not help, then try to disable any sort of antivirus interfaces. You can add GOG Galaxy to your security software's firewall exception list, and then from there I'm pretty sure that you'll actually be able to fix your GOG game not downloading after purchase. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.